Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making Cheddar Bay Biscuit Bake. Why, you ask? Well, here in the States, several Red Lobster location restaurants will be closing. So what better way to pay tribute to the favorite Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit? The recipe and the links to the products you see us using here will be in the description below. And we do have a Facebook group, Stovetop Omnia Oven Fans. Bing! And as you know, our cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, is available on Amazon. Get yours. Please smooshy the like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I am super eager to make the Cheddar Bay Biscuit Bake. Let's cook!
Just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said.
So to elevate this bake, the instructions say 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. Listen to mama. I put in double per package, and I just used 2 packages. So this is an 8-ounce and another 8-ounce for the 2 package mixes.
I try my best to move on.
The instructions also say to add 1 cup of water. Listen to mama again. Use milk or half and half. So 2 packages, hence 2 cups. So after mixing all the ingredients, I decided the dough was a little dry. So I'm just going to add 1 cup of water.